what the plan is. We don't have a plan. We were supposed to fly home. However, good morning. It's been quite the last 12 hours, hasn't it?
Yes, it has. To say the least.
We had a little bit of a rough hotel experience where we're staying, so I'll leave it at that. But we're starting off our day good. We're at the Pop Century having some lunch right now, so we'll show you what we got. I got some salmon that I'm eating. This is one of my favorite meals on property, honestly. Super good. This is a salmon with green beans, mashed potatoes, sesame chicken, broccoli, rice, chicken fingers and fries, of course. More salmon already being devoured. And then you have like the biggest plate in the world.
Lots and lots of beans.
What do you have? Red beans and rice with
Some roasted chicken.
roasted chicken and broccoli?
Yeah.
How is it?
Oh, it's really good. Just a lot of beans.
I set out looking for the s'mores cookie at Pop Century, but I found one. That is a peanut butter and jelly croissant. And look how beautiful she is. Look at that.
We crack it open.
Crack it open. Oh my God.
Very filled.
Here we go. Cheers. Tastes like a peanut butter and jelly. It's good.
But not a good one. The one I used to get in elementary school when you forgot your lunch and they gave you like the crappiest, grossest peanut butter and jelly.
It's not my favorite. I was way more excited over that than how it would taste. I'm gonna cleanse my palate with a chicken finger.
And a french fry. Holy moly. I don't like that at all.
It's really sweet.
I just don't like icing. Like, if it didn't have icing, it'd be really good.
All right, go ahead.
What made you try this? It looked pretty.
I see the vision.
It came out.
It plopped out on the plate. It gave
Right here,
birth.
right here. That's
Shall I
it.
dip?
Dip this corner.
Dip it. It's giving Skippy.
Skip the skip.
We've had quite the day.
Oh, yes.
We've been in the car for the last how many hours?
Too many. I feel
2-3 hours, something like that. About to hop on the monorail right now. We were supposed to fly home. However, our flights are delayed, so we're staying an extra night.
Oh, darn.
We're so upset about it, actually.
I didn't want this to happen.
Oh yeah, we got stuck in the rain, Pop Century too, so that was fun.
We've been in the car too long. I have to pee.
Yeah, we've been in the car for like hours trying to figure out flights and hotel and stuff for tonight, tomorrow morning, all that stuff. So we got everything situated. I still have to call the rental car place, but I don't know what the plan is. We don't have a plan. We all look like shit. We all smell like shit. We all feel like shit. But you know what? We're gonna rally. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Finn's asleep. Night night. We're gonna take a little monorail nap.
What does he say?
He's wheezing.
We'll be wheezing too.
Finn, he can't say sleeping. He says, oh, he's wheezing.
Feeling greasy and tired.
Yeah. Night night. Have we ever looked more disgusting on a Disney day?
Absolutely not.
This is usually a fashion show.
Yes, I had it planned out what I wanted to wear if we came here, how I was going to do my
Same.
makeup.
I'm in airport mode. It's fine. The wait times are low, the vibes are good. The snackies are about to start flowing.
We either go hard or go home, and we can't go home.
We can't go home, so we better go
We
hard.
gotta go hard.
All right, the buzz line got long. The people mover line wasn't moving, so I bought lightning lanes and we're gonna go get something to eat. No, literally no people were moving. You're right. We are going over right now to Gaston's Tavern to go get a little snacky. And then we're gonna have a lightning lane for Buzz. Maybe the little dude will be awake by then and he can enjoy Buzz with us. So we're back in business. What do you have?
Ham and Gruyere on a croissant.
Delicious.
Solid 8 out of 10.
We have a creme brulee croissant here, which we've had before. Another ham and Gruyere croissant. And a gigantic cinnamon roll, of course.
Extra icing.
Extra icing.
8
Yeah.
out of 10.
We just ran in the rain into the Little Mermaid. I told her, you can wait in Gaston's.
No, I told her we wind through like outside to get to the line. Well, to be fair, running across to get to the indoor line.
Turn us walking very slow in your ponchos. But we're in line for a little more, but it's only like 10 minutes. So yeah, it's freezing and we're drenched. So oh my god.
Yeah, I'll start at the beginning. We want the land for jobs to cook.
Look at those shoes.
What they said goes being people.
We are soaking wet and we're going to ride bus.
The rain's not as bad.
Actually, it cooled off. It feels pretty good right now.
Yeah.
Actually, our shirts are a little wet. This is perfect.
You know, mine's double lined, so I don't feel that stuff.
I don't either, but I'm in a t-shirt, so it is what it
It's
is.
my hair that's bothering.
Everyone's in ponchos.
This target is worth 100,000 points and it appears twice.
So what you're saying is you're cheating before you're getting on the ride. She's cheating.
Yes.
Not say cheater.
Cheating. I'm reading tips and tricks.
No, you're cheating.
I'm looking up the tips and tricks.
Colby, tell the people what your score was on Buzz Lightyear.
827,000. Highest one, obviously.
827.
I kind of cheated on it.
And how did you do that?
Higher, you were in the millions.
No, I only had 200 and something.
It only goes up to like 99.
I would have beat him, obviously, but
I couldn't find the cloth.
someone
So bad.
kept stealing my shooter.
This is my game. I did terrible.
He's drunk. All right, hold on. You want to go on there?
You want me to take you?
Finn's riding the magic carpets with Nene, and we are going to Tiana's. We have never ridden Tiana's. We're very excited. You would poncho on the ride?
Because I've done it to myself with my jackets. I don't like it.
No. Last chance.
Duck and pray it doesn't land on it. And it never
I've
works.
done that before.
Okay, you're a duck and pray. You're a wood poncho. It's part of the fun getting wet. Have you ever heard someone talk that fast?
Stay party with the love party in front of you, please. Stay in line. Party in front of you, please.
At all times, at all
Keep it
times.
moving,
as
keep it
fast as you
moving.
can at all times.
Turns and feet all in the lag at the same time, please.
Yes, we're in the bayou, guys.
Floating down the bayou.
This is such a freaking vibe.
I'm vibing with it.
People don't come here from everywhere, and I'm almost there.
Play at my party tonight.
I made it out my way until that second splash.
We got the backsplash. Getting backsplashed. Oh god. How'd you do, Coco? My face. Here we go. Hey. Oh yeah. It's a water ride. Aw. Look how pretty at night. Beautiful. We didn't get that wet. Your butt is, let me see your butt. Your butt's a little wet. Let me see. Yeah, you got wet.
It looks worse than it is, though.
You can't tell, but like my front's pretty soaked because I got my face splashed pretty hard.
I don't feel like I'm that wet. Like, maybe a little, but like my face got the worst of it, I think.
Like where I got splashed, it came up from the side over here, so like it got me the most, and then it came over to you.
Yeah, I don't feel like I got that wet. Finn and Nene are on Pirates, so we're gonna go meet them. I gotta say, it's a little sad without the big ferry. But that's where they're putting cars, right there. What a beautiful night at Magic Kingdom. Oh, this is where you get the Tiana's beignets. Does anyone remember? It's called Golden Oak Outpost. Does anyone remember when this used to be a McDonald's French fry stand back in the day?
When did they change that?
I mean, it's not been that in a long, long time. They have Tiana's beignets and a hot honey chicken with sweet potato fries, which is actually different from the last time I was here. They had shrimp gumbo last time I was here. Oh no! The smell! Oh yeah.
Really smell.
Are we mad that we aren't making our flights? Is anyone upset about that?
I am just broken up over it. We had
Devastated.
to walk around the Magic Kingdom, and in a matter of 2 hours, what did we do? We went on Ariel.
We did Little Mermaid, we did Buzz, Tiana's, Pirates,
And Aladdin,
and the Magic Carpets, yeah.
and ate and sat and waited out a rainstorm, so you can't beat lightning lanes
And good food.
air drumming.
Yay! Best canceled flight ever. Yes, I was hoping for this. Did you have so much fun? We're gonna go on the monorail. Say monorail.
I get choo-choo train.
Mono choo-choo train. What rides did you go on? Pirates?
Yeah.
And who did you see on Pirates?
Rocket hook. Rocket hook.
Oh yeah?
Rocket hook.
Whoa. The fireworks were supposed to start at 9, I think. The park is like dead, I think because it rained. I don't really know. But there's no line for the monorail right now, which is unheard of at this hour. And we're gonna go back to TTC. This was the longest day
Don't vlog me.
ever. We are so tired. We just got to our room at the Embassy Suites. We had some Chick-fil-A. And oh my god, we're so tired. We did not make it to the fireworks. Like, even close. None of us wanted to. We had some Chick-fil-A and now we're going to bed, so we're gonna fly home in the morning. And on behalf of the flight crew, thanks for flying with us.